Welcome to today's Digital Dose of Art. I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek of an event we have coming up on October 10th. It'll be our family fun art activity, and we are going to be making some pumpkin sculptures, just like this. So you can come by the Art Center from between 3 and 5 to get your family fun kit, and inside of it there's going to be 2 different art projects that you'll be able to do. And the first one will be creating a pumpkin sculpture. So you'll find some strips of paper that have holes cut in them. There's 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, and 1 is in the center. And then you're also going to find a pipe cleaner. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to just take that pipe cleaner and create a little knot at the bottom just by twisting it like that. And after you've done that, then you're going to take each piece of paper and thread it through the center hole onto the pipe cleaner. Like that. All right. And once you have done that, we are going to spread these out a little bit, just like so. And then you're going to take each strip and thread it through again, like that. That one. That one. That. You can see our pumpkin coming together here. I think everyone is ready for fall. I know I am. Fall is such a beautiful time at Cedarhurst, and we have lots of fall events coming up too, so be sure to check our calendar to see all the fun things that will be happening at Cedarhurst in the month of October. Okay, I've got my last one here. We're going to thread that through, and there we go. We've got our little pumpkin, like so. And then you're going to take this and you want to twist it down to make the stem. So just by bending the wire, the chenille stem here, pipe cleaner, we're going to create our little stem, and you're going to have this extra, and we're going to use that to twist to make part of the vine. Like that. We'll fan that out. And there we have our pumpkins. So when you come on October 10th, you will be given materials to make this, as well as materials to make some ghosts. So that will help you kick off your Halloween celebration just right. I'd like to thank Rebecca Clemens of H&R Block for being our family program sponsor. And I hope you've enjoyed our program today, and I hope to see you soon at Cedarhurst.